Hi, my name is Emily Hanks, and this is my week 3 assignment. And here, let's start off on the first page. Here's our documents page. We currently have everything set up for it, but we do not have the details set part working. And our list here is set up to have items, but we only have one thing right now. And if we refresh, this is the first page our web page loads up to. So here's our messages tab, and here we have the list of messages that are currently in our class. And these are hard coded at the moment. We can also add a new message to our list up there. We can send it and it'll come up here. It's not required, like, it's not technically supposed to clear out these fields, but I thought it made the most sense because you wouldn't want to keep sending the same message over and over. And so it just calls, once you send it, it calls the clear function. And that clears it. And then we also have our contacts page. And once we click on our contact, more details shows up on this side. Again, our link to the picture is not working because I'm not on campus. But when I am, it does work. And it shows up here. And I believe that is all that this week's assignment needed.